Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Today, we are bringing you the top 12 camera deals online. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your photography journey, we have something for you. Hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome deals. Now, let's uncover these savings. Number 1. Canon EOS R100 Body Only. This camera is best for entry-level photographers looking for an affordable, lightweight mirrorless camera with good image quality and 4K video capabilities. Priced at $479.99, it's now on sale for $399. Number 2. Canon EOS R100 with RF f/18-45mm lens kit. It's ideal for beginner photographers wanting a complete starter kit with a versatile zoom lens for daily shooting needs, such as landscapes and portraits. Priced at $599.99, it's now on sale for $429. Number 3. Canon EOS R100 with RF f/18-45mm and RF f/55-210mm lens kit. It's perfect for those who want a more flexible setup, allowing for both wide-angle shots and telephoto zooming, making it great for travel and outdoor photography. Priced at $829.99, it's now on sale for $599. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZV-E10. This is designed for vloggers and content creators. This mirrorless camera offers excellent video features and a flip screen for easy self-recording. Priced at $799.99, it's now on sale for $698. Number 5. Nikon D3300 DSLR Kit. It's best for beginners looking to get into DSLR photography, offering reliable image quality and flexibility with 2 included zoom lenses. Priced at $849.95, it's now on sale for $699.99. Number 6. Sony Alpha A6400. This Sony camera is great for intermediate photographers and videographers, especially those needing real-time autofocus and 4K video recording, making it suitable for both stills and video projects. Priced at $999.99, it's now on sale for $848. Number 7. Canon EOS R7 Body Only. The Canon EOS R7 is best for action and sports photographers who need fast autofocus, high image quality, and 4K video capabilities in a hybrid mirrorless body. Priced at $1,499, it's now on sale for $1,274. Number 8. Nikon Z6 II Body Only. The Nikon Z6 II is a versatile option for professional photographers and videographers, offering full-frame image quality, good low-light performance, and hybrid video capabilities. Priced at $1,996.95, it's now on sale for $1,596.95. Number 9. Canon EOS R7 with RF f/18-150mm lens kit. It's ideal for vloggers and content creators who need a one-lens solution for a wide range of shooting scenarios, including 4K video recording and subject detection features. Priced at $1,899, it's now on sale for $1,699. Number 10. Nikon Z7 II Body Only. The Nikon Z7 II is best for ultra-high-resolution photography, making it a great choice for landscape, commercial, and studio photographers who need maximum detail. Priced at $2,296.95, it's now on sale for $1,996.95. Number 11. Canon EOS R6 Mark II Body Only. This camera is perfect for hybrid shooters needing professional-level photo and video performance, offering high-speed shooting and excellent autofocus. Great for weddings, portraits, and events. Priced at $2,499, it's now on sale for $1,899 after applying the 20% discount and $99.01 coupon. Number 12. Canon EOS R5C Body Only. The camera is best for professional filmmakers and content creators who require top-tier 8K video recording capabilities combined with high-resolution still photography. Priced at $4,299, it's now on sale for $3,399. The links to these deals are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!